Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tom yum soup paste. Gather lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, chilies, shallots, garlic, shrimp paste, and lime juice. Chop and pound ingredients, or use a blender with a little oil for a smooth paste. Toasting shrimp paste briefly enhances aroma. Taste as you go, adjusting chilies and lime for heat and brightness before storing in a jar for later use. First, prepare each herb and spice separately so flavors blend evenly. Slice lemongrass and galangal thinly, then lightly roast shallots and garlic to soften pungency. Briefly toast shrimp paste for depth and remove tough central lemongrass pieces. Smash chilies to release oils before adding. Combine everything in a mortar or blender with a splash of oil and process until smooth or slightly rusty. Cook the paste briefly in hot oil to unlock aromatics and deepen flavor before stirring into stock. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons per serving, adjusting for spice. Cool completely before storing in a clean jar and press a thin layer of oil on top to preserve freshness. For longer life, freeze in portion-sized scoops that thaw quickly, making weeknight tom yum as easy as a stir and simmer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.